In this tutorial, we will talk about the best thing that happened to amateur filmmakers, the shallow depth of field. But is it curse or blessing? Most DSLR filmmakers are glad with the shallow depth of field, because they can create some stunning images like major Hollywood studios. But especially beginners are often lost in the DSLR world, because they don't know how to get the depth of field, and if they do, they don't know how to use it and how to control it. First off, you need a lens with a wide open aperture, let's say f1.4. As you can see, you have a lovely shallow depth of field. But at f8, you can clearly see the background and the effect isn't working anymore. Of course, the depth of field can be very nice. It almost doesn't matter what you're filming, it will look professional. But you shouldn't overdo that, because not every shot has to be in such a low focal area. In general, it makes sense to shoot wide open when you're shooting a close-up of a person and don't want that the audience knows what's going on in the background. Here are a few examples. This was shot with an expensive high-quality lens. But if you're shooting with a cheap lens that has a low aperture, you will get a lot of blur. But the things that are in focus aren't really sharp because of the lens quality. You shouldn't shoot too wide open if you're filming a big crowd from the front or above. Why? Because almost nothing will be in focus and the image won't be really sharp. Here is an example. You can clearly see that the video taken at f8 looks better and sharper because more people are in focus. This brings us to the next point: how to control the depth of field. If someone walks from the background of your video into the front and you want to have him in focus all the time, you have to pull the focus ring of the lens. If you shoot wide open at f1.4, it is nearly impossible to follow the person instantly, even for professionals. To make that easier, different manufacturers design follow focus systems for DSLRs. But it is still hard to control focus. We recommend that you think about if you really need a shallow depth of field in every shot. Honestly, have you ever seen a Hollywood movie where every shot is like that? You need to mix it in a nice way, otherwise the audience will go crazy. Back to the question: is it curse or blessing? For us, it is a blessing, because you can create a look that is still special to most people, but it isn't always easy. What do you think? Leave a comment.